I have no need or urge for revenge. That revenge is not the answer. And revenge will just cause the cycle of death and blood that has been going on between Israelis and Palestinians for over a century, just will make it worse. They are always miss me, always think about them, and I always miss them, and I love them very, very much, and I know that they will be proud in what I'm doing now. 7:30 in the morning, October the 7th, I woke up in Binyamina. My father wrote that there are sirens, alarm, shooting, and bombing, and they are in the safe room. Crazy as it might sound, it's normal because they live in Netiv Asara. It's the closest Israeli community to the Gaza border. Straight, I called my father, asked him what's going on, and he said that he and mom are okay, and though it's very noisy with shooting and sirens, everything is fine. It was 7:40 in the morning, and still watching the news. I saw that something really big is happening. So 7:45, I called my father again, but this time there was no answer. Around 5 in the afternoon, we were able to reach the security officer of their community. He spoke to my brother-in-law, and he told him that my parents' house is burned to ashes, and there are 2 bodies inside. My father was a farmer. He was probably #1 expert for wheat in Israel. And 1 year there was a drought, so no wheat will grow. The second year there was floods and no wheat will grow. The third year, insects that will kill the entire crop. And the fourth year, he produced beautiful crop and wheat, but the world prices collapsed and no one want to buy the wheat from him. And by the end of each of those seasons, he will always tell us, next year, I'm going to seed again, because next year is going to be a better one. And he made me so optimistic about the future and convinced me that we must keep seeding the seeds of hope and the seeds of peace. And my mom, she was a mandala painter, and she gave many as presents to my sisters, to her friends, and I received only one. And on the mandala she gave me, she wrote, "We can achieve all our dreams if we will have the courage to follow them." So my mom gave me a lot of courage and also gave me imagination to dream of a better future. All the families I spoke to, no one from the government ever gave us a call, came to a funeral, came to a wake ceremony, or even sent us a letter. They are totally ignoring us. I've never heard anything from them. No one from the government. I never heard anything from them. I have a mission that can be divided to 4 goals. #1 is to bring those that are kidnapped and being held hostages. #2, to immediate stop of the war and a ceasefire. #3, to take Benjamin Netanyahu out of the office of the prime minister. And #4 is to create a better future and to bring hope and peace to this region between the Jordan River and Mediterranean Sea. Peace that will be built on the values of equality, justice, and reconciliation.